Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be sharing my view and demo on Bosch Dishwasher. I have mentioned the model and the price in the description. Video will be useful for someone who is still thinking whether to buy dishwasher or not, or someone who is thinking whether dishwasher is good for Indian households or not, and also to someone who is having budget to afford this dishwasher. Well, I'm using this dishwasher for nearly 3.5 years. Now let's check what are the advantages of using this dishwasher. The vessels are hygiene actually. Second thing is stress-free. No need to wait whether maid will come today or will she take leave, nothing like that. It became a routine for us. We'll keep all the vessels and get it washed. If you are a working woman, this will definitely save your time. Thirdly, we could save our money on a monthly basis. We were paying around 3,000 to our maids to clean the vessels. Now that money could be saved. I know we have invested quite a lot of money on this dishwasher, but this is a one-time investment for us. Above all your vessels will be super shiny. When we talk about advantages, there will be definitely certain disadvantages of having a dishwasher. First thing is that we couldn't use all type of vessels. We couldn't use wooden, earthenware, aluminium and all. Sometimes I could see some stains, sticking to the vessels after cleaning, but that is very rare, but still it's a disadvantage. Now let's see the products which are used for the dishwasher. Well, Bosch itself recommends Finnish brand for the best results. For cleaning the utensils, we need salt, detergent and rinse aid. Dishwasher needs soft water, that is, water containing low amount of lime. Otherwise, white lime scale will be deposited on the utensils. So this softens the water and prevents the lime scale and watermark. The price of the salt is 350 rupees and this will last more than 4 months for us. The prices might vary if there is an offer. Now let's see on the detergent powder. This helps to remove the starch and grease stains from your utensils. 1 kilogram of product costs 448 rupees. This would last nearly 1.5 months for us. This gives clean and shiny finish to our utensils. This would last around 2 months for us and the price of 400 ml of product is 300 rupees. All the three products are equally important. This is freshener from Finnish brand and it's completely optional. This gives clean and fresh smell inside the dishwasher. We have to replace it when the liquid, which is green and yellow in color, disappears. Everything cost me around 1090 rupees excluding the freshener. This will last for 60 washes. We can hang this freshener in the upper basket like this. Dishwasher needs inlet and outlet pipes like a washing machine. It's good to buy a stabilizer if there is voltage fluctuation in your house. This is the inlet pipe wherein the water is supplied to the dishwasher. The outlet pipe is placed just between the washing machine and dishwasher. Dishwasher cleans all the utensils in hot water. So the water which comes out of the outlet pipe will be very hot. Now let's check all the features available in this dishwasher. We got 6 inbuilt programs and 3 additional ones. They are Intensive Kadai, Express Sparkle, Auto, Eco, Quick and Pre-rinse. The additional ones are Vario Eco, Half Load and Extra Dry. There are LED lights in the display panel. These will blink when there is less salt or rinse aid. So we need to fill in the salt or rinse aid when these lights glows. Now let's check how much time each program takes. Well, Intensive Kadai takes 1 hour 30 minutes and cleans the vessels at 70 degrees. This option can be used when the dishes are heavily soiled like kadai, pots and pans. This program is specially designed for India, which leaves no stains of oil, grease, burnt stains and masalas on the utensils. Express Sparkle can be used for normally soiled dishes. This cleans the vessels at 65 degrees and the entire process takes 1 hour. Next, let's see the auto mode. This operates between 45 to 65 degrees. This option is sensor controlled for lightly to normal soiled dishes. Next is Eco mode and the time taken is 1 hour 26 minutes. This cleans at 50 degrees. This is an energy saving program for normally soiled dishes. Next option is quick, which takes 29 minutes. This is for lightly soiled dishes like cups, glasses, and this cleans at 45 degrees. It's not mandatory to rinse all the dishes before loading into the dishwasher. We have pre-rinse options, which takes 15 minutes to rinse off the dishes. After 15 minutes of pre-rinsing, you can just choose any of those 5 programs to clean the dishes. Vario Eco takes 3 hours 30 minutes. Water and energy consumption can be reduced in this option. The running time is extended for optimum cleaning and drying results. Next is half load, which takes 1 hour 21 minutes. If you have only few dishes to wash, you can use this option. Make sure to use half the quantity of detergent while using this option. The final program is the extra dry and it takes 1 hour 31 minutes. As the name says, this gives extra dry on our dishes. But there is slight increase in the energy consumption. If you want to reset the program, you have to hold the start button for 3 to 4 seconds. We can also delay the washing time between 1 to 24 hours by pressing the plus or minus button shown here. H01 is 1 hour and 02 is 2 hours and it can go off till 24 hours. You can reduce the timing by pressing the minus button. Well, this is quite an interesting option, I must say. Let's see about the sound this machine produces while operating. It's mentioned silence over here, but it produces very minimal sound. Bosch recommends Finnish brand for cleaning utensils for pest results. The details of all the inbuilt programs are mentioned clearly when you open the front door. The dishwasher comes with 2 years of warranty. Let's open and see the different components of this dishwasher. We have hung the freshener in the upper basket, which is completely optional. The dishwasher has an upper basket as well as lower basket. This is knife shelf wherein we can keep long utensils horizontally. We can arrange plates over the basket and this is foldable spikes. The spikes can be folded to improve the arrangement of pans, bowls and glasses. The height of the top basket can be adjusted to provide more space for the tall utensils. Normally we used to arrange small plates, cups, long spoons, such kind of things in upper basket. This is the bottom basket and heavily soiled utensils should be placed here. And it has a cutlery basket as well. When you open the door, you will find these small compartments to add the detergents and the rinse aid. This is the rinse aid dispenser and the next one is the detergent dispenser. We have to fill the detergent and lock like this. We do not need to add rinse aid and salt on a daily basis. This is the bottom spray arm and the other one is the top spray arm. There is a screw type cap next to the bottom spray arm to fill in the salt. This is the filter which collects all the residues while washing the utensils. After each wash, we have to clean this filter in the running water. Before loading the dishwasher with utensils, we have to clean the filters and check for the salt, rinse aid and add detergent. So these are the pre-prep before operating the dishwasher. While fixing the filter, we have to ensure these arrows meet opposite to each other. I am opening the screw cap and filling it with the salt. As I mentioned earlier, if the salt is less, the LED light for salt glows up. I am going to show the demo on how to use this dishwasher. We have filled in the salt and now loading the rinse aid. There will be a mark inside the rinse aid dispenser. We have to fill it with rinse aid until the level is reached. Now let's load it with detergent. Normally we used to add 20 grams of the detergent for each wash. Just close it by sliding the knob down. These are the utensils which we are going to clean today. Normally we used to rinse the utensils before loading it into the dishwasher, but this is completely optional. Keep the heavy soiled utensils like kadai, pan in the bottom basket. You know how the utensils are cleaned in dishwasher? Hot water sprays through the bottom as well as top spray arm. It consumes less water compared to the manual cleaning. While loading the dishwasher, the kadais, pans, everything has to be placed upside down. This is the teapot and I'll show how it looks after cleaning. Washing the utensils in dishwasher is really hygiene. One important thing is that it consumes less water when compared to manual cleaning. These plates are quite soiled since we had Maggie. Normally, maid only used to clean the utensils in our house. Many times they don't come on time or take leave without informing us. Sometimes she used to come very late and by the time we used to clean all the utensils. Finally, my amma decided to buy this dishwasher. Now the stress and the expectation whether she'll come or not has completely gone off after buying this dishwasher. Normally we used to arrange the cups and small plates in the upper basket. So arranging the utensils is very important while operating the dishwasher, but you'll come to know while using it. These plastic containers are dishwasher safe. Well, my brother is only arranging all the utensils. This is the cutlery basket and we used to place the spoons, filter and everything in it. We have to place the pointed ends facing downwards. Now the dishwasher is fully loaded with the utensils. Before closing the door, we have to check whether the lower and the upper spray arm are free to rotate. If not, we have to adjust the utensils accordingly. This is a very important step. Let's close the dishwasher and choose a program. Press the start button and we have chosen Eco program. This takes 1 hour 26 minutes for cleaning the dishes. There is a child lock feature in this dishwasher, so no need to worry if there is kids around. Once the machine is running, press and hold intensive kadai until CL shows on the display panel. Now let's see what type of vessels we can use and not use in a dishwasher. We could use stainless steel vessels. Also we can use plastics and ceramics which are dishwasher safe. Now let's check what not to use in the dishwasher. Cast iron cannot be used in dishwasher. If you use, the seasoning and the coating will completely go off. This is also ceramic, but it is engraved with a lot of designs. If you use it, there are a lot of chances of getting these peeled off. Unless it is not written behind as well. If it is dishwasher safe, they will definitely mention it. Thirdly, earthenware collections. No, big no. So don't use earthenware collections. We are not supposed to use aluminium vessels. Also, we cannot use anodized vessels. So as I mentioned earlier, these are some of the disadvantages of using the dishwasher. Let me talk about the electricity consumption. To be frank, we haven't noticed a spike in the electricity bill. I could say there's a hike of nearly 500 rupees once in 2 months which we are paying. So roughly I could say we are spending nearly 250 rupees on a monthly basis for electricity. Only 2 minutes is left to clean the utensils. Do not open the dishwasher immediately once the program stops. Leave the dishwasher for 10 minutes because all the utensils will be very hot. The detergent dispenser opens up automatically once the program ends. The utensils are sparkling, super clean and hygiene as well. Look at the utensils, friends. All of them are cleaned with much less efforts and less water. Let's check the utensils one by one. These cups are so clean and dry as well. This is the plastic lid and dishwasher safe. This is also dishwasher safe container. This is puttu maker and look how clean it is. This filter is so clean, but hold on, I'll show what happened in the lower basket. The plates are sparkling and the dishwasher has done its job perfectly. This is the milk pot which I showed earlier. Look how shiny and clean it is now. With regards to electricity, it consumes 0.8 units of energy depending on the programs we choose. These are the spoons from the cutlery basket. Now let's see these strainers. Little residue of the tea powder is lying on the filter. But it's okay, it will go off once I rinse it. As I mentioned earlier, this is one of the disadvantage. Having said that, we might have avoided if you'd have placed horizontally on the knife shelf. Finally, I would like to say, please, this video is not to provoke any argument whether dishwasher is good or bad. This is completely personal choice of everyone. I hope this video will be useful for someone who is just planning whether to buy dishwasher or not. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.